Hey, it's me, Abby from the Wonder School, back with you to tell you about one of my favorite plant friends. So, a friend of mine from my community donated all of these passionflower vines to me to help out the communities that I work with in the Wonder School nonprofit. And it's wonderful for that because it's what's called a nervine in herbalism. So, it's a calming sedative. And that's needed a lot, especially in BIPOC communities right now who are under even more stress than some other people because of what's going on in the world. But I think we could all use nervines right now. And this is a nice, gentle nervine. And I say gentle because it won't put you to sleep, it won't knock you out. So, safe for most of us to take during the day and will just gently calm us. It's really nice for stopping circular thinking. So, if your thoughts are going around and around, it's good for stopping those. And these leaves have 3 lobes on them, so kind of like sassafras, but unlike sassafras, they have some coarse teeth on them. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that. And they also grow on a vine. So unlike sassafras, which is a tree, this passion flower is a vine, and the whole above ground part is medicinal. So the vine, the leaf, the tendril, it gets really cool tendrils. Check out that tendril. Whoa, they get crazy. And those tendrils always have a job. They help it grab onto things and hold on to steady itself and to spread. So it's pretty ingenious. So as I said, passion flower is a nervine, and this is the same plant that you get passion fruit from. There are a lot of different species and they grow in different climates. So they may grow wild where you are depending on what your climate is, or you may be able to cultivate them. Some don't fruit unless you have a longer warm season. Um, so you can also cultivate them indoors in a greenhouse type setting. Sometimes that fruit is called maypop and it's really delicious. But I generally make tea out of this leaf, and I will make what's called an infusion. So just taking these leaves, tearing them up a little to expose more surface area, and then pouring hot water over them that has just boiled, but you don't want to boil the leaves. And put them in a pot or a cup. Generally, if they're going to be fresh leaves, I'll do about 2 tablespoons of leaf. If it's dry, I'll do 1 tablespoon. And then you cover that with a lid or a saucer and let it steep. If you want a medicinal blend, I like to steep it at least 20 minutes, but you could get away with about 5 minutes. And it's a great antispasmodic. So for muscle spasms, it's really wonderful. It just calms the entire body from my experience, stops that circular thinking. So if you're going crazy during the day and you can't stop thinking about something, your monkey mind is just going off, or you have insomnia and you can't stop thinking, it's really wonderful for that. Also, slowing down the heartbeat. If your heart is beating too fast, it can help with that. So it has a really nice taste as well. It's a little bit fruity, even the leaf. So it's just all around great. The person who gave this to me was just pruning her vines and she didn't want to throw them out. And I'm so glad that she didn't because they're so amazingly helpful and so medicinal. So I hope that you will try passion flower. And if you do, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. Also, please be sure to like this video, to share it with your planty friends, to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell to get notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.